Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which asks for take any alphabetical letter and design it creatively. So suppose if we take the letter, suppose B, okay, and let's make it larger, a little bit larger, which would help in designing the necessary way we want. Okay, now let's keep it this way, and after this we can creatively manipulate the sections so that it gives us the necessary uh, way in which we want the design to appear. So suppose I take this portion out, okay, suppose in this way, and also this portion we erase. All right, so we have now a somewhat a tight curve which looks like B, okay, and then we can add a little bit of black, and so that our letters has certain sharp edges. And here I'm going to round these edges. All right, and again here I'll draw a shape which would look like the edges of a book. So in this way, what we are doing is we are constructing the inside space of a certain letter and decorating it or adding certain elements inside it so that it gives a certain amount of feel that this letter has been creatively manipulated to create an impact of or creatively manipulated on a certain theme. So now you see this letter B can be uh, visualized as it is standing with refer to the book, which is also the initial letter of the word itself, and then you can add certain graphics here and there or to give to make it look like a texture, like the texture of a page, to make it look a little more interesting. So in this way, you can, so as a whole, you see it all. I'm taking inspiration from the textures of a page, like how jagged it looks, and together it can create that visual uniformity. Alright, and it has been all inspired from that letter B. So I hope you understood how to solve question like this. You can add a little bit of depth here, and that can represent that entire word or the inside graphics, and little bit of cleanup would also. So I hope you understood how to solve questions like this and come up with a uh, visually interesting graphics which would be accurate to the uh, solution of the question. Keep practicing with other letters. Thank you.